So what does it really take to make that leap to a senior data engineer? It's about so much more than just the code you write. Today, we're going to break down the crucial meta skills that can really transform a good engineer into a great one and help you build a career that truly has an impact.
I mean, this is the big question, right? If you're in the data world, this is probably the hurdle you're looking to clear. You've already got the technical skills down, so what is that next leap all about?
And here's a little secret for you. The answer isn't just learning another programming language or slapping another tool on your resume. Nope. The path to seniority, it's built on something way more fundamental. Think of it like a framework, built on 4 key blocks.
All right, let's start at the bottom, with the foundation of this whole structure, adaptability and inquiry. In a field like data engineering that's changing at lightning speed, this foundation is, well, it's absolutely not negotiable. It's what keeps your entire career relevant.
Just picture this for a second. Everything's going great, you're on track, and then, bam, the client throws a massive curveball, a big pivot. Now, a more junior engineer might freeze up or get frustrated, but a senior engineer, they adapt. They don't see it as a roadblock, they see it as a new puzzle to solve, and they just flex to meet those new demands.
But it's not all just about reacting. There's a proactive side to this too. While adapting is how you react to change, inquiry, or just plain old curiosity, is about actively looking for what's coming next. Constantly being on the lookout for new tools and new techniques. That's what really gives you that critical edge.
Okay, so let's move up to our second block and see how this all builds together. This one is the connector. Because look, your technical work can be absolutely brilliant, but if it just exists in a bubble, it has no real value. Communication is the bridge, the thing that connects your amazing technical solutions to actual business impact. So, let's say you've spent weeks, maybe even months, building this absolute masterpiece of a data pipeline. It is efficient, it's elegant, it handles data like a dream, it's a true technical achievement, and you should be proud of it. But now comes the real test. You've got to present it to stakeholders, to business analysts, to the marketing team. And if you can't translate that technical perfection into business value that they can understand, well, all that impact just gets lost in translation. The skill here, the real game changer, is becoming a translator. This means you got to simplify the jargon, present your ideas clearly, and work with everyone, from data scientists to business analysts. See, a senior engineer doesn't just build the pipeline, they make sure everyone understands why it matters and how it's going to help them win. Now for our third block, which I like to call the accelerator. This is where a senior engineer really levels up. You stop being just a doer and you become a force multiplier. It's all about building systems that work smarter, not just harder.
I mean, let's be real, we are swimming in data. We're talking about massive amounts of information, petabytes of it. There is simply no way you can tackle that kind of scale with manual effort alone. It's not going to work. It's completely unsustainable.
And this analogy just nails it. Manual processes are like being stuck in rush hour traffic. It's slow, it's frustrating, it's full of bottlenecks. But when you automate and optimize, you are literally creating the express lane. You're making sure that data flows smoothly, which enables all those real-time analytics the business is hungry for.
And that brings us to our final block, the very top of the pyramid, the apex. This is the pinnacle of the senior engineer's skill set. It's where you move beyond just executing tasks to actually defining the strategy and solving the biggest, most complex challenges.
Now pay close attention here, because critical thinking at this level is not just about finding an answer. It's about questioning the problem itself. It's about stepping back and asking, is this even the right challenge to be tackling right now? A senior engineer has the foresight to see the core issues that are going to drive the most value.
At the end of the day, it really comes down to this. It's about creative, multifaceted problem solving. It's about connecting the dots that other people don't even see and bringing innovative solutions to the table that go way beyond what you were originally asked to do.
So, we've just walked through the entire structure. Let's pull back for a second and look at how these 4 blocks all come together to create a complete framework for building your career and really giving you that senior level edge.
And here they are, all together. It's a beautiful thing, right? You start with that solid foundation of adapting and always asking questions. Then you build on top of that with the connector skills of communication. You multiply your impact with the accelerator of automation. And you lead from the apex with strategic problem solving. See how each block supports the next?
And you got to remember, mastering these isn't just about getting that next promotion or a bigger paycheck. It's about real, fundamental, professional growth. These are the skills that are going to carry you through whatever changes come next in technology for the rest of your career.
So that leaves us with just one final question, and this one is for you. As you look at this framework, which one of these blocks feels like your next big area for growth? Which one are you going to intentionally start focusing on building, starting today?